Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is just part of a serious report that came out many years ago. And this touches the cause of my heart. That situation like this can happen in 1963 and in the year 2021, as late as July 22nd, when a little girl, 19-year-old, right, went through the same identical ordeal as these grown Rasta men back in those days. I want to ask the question now, what are we going to do about this one? Are we going to just sit back idly and just fuck around and just say, well, boy, it's just another situation, and we're going to talk about politics and we're going to talk about this and that? This has nothing to do with politics. This has everything to do with a person's constitutional rights. Now, we could go into the constitutional rights of a Jamaican, not just Rastafarian. Let's go to the constitutional rights, because more than them understand your rights. The constitutional rights say the fundamental rights and freedoms secured by the Constitution and which are enforceable are a freedom of the person, right to personal liberty, a protection of the freedom of movement, a protection from inhuman treatment, a protection for privacy of home and other rights, a right to a fair trial, a protection of freedom of conscience, a protection of freedom of expression, a protection of freedom of assembly and association, a protection from discrimination. Now, Jamaica, when I go march in thousands now, we should have do that from Emancipation Day, because guess what? We know emancipated if them things can happen the 22nd of July 2021. How emancipated are we? What? What's wrong with us? Something is in the air, and get the Rastafari community that was here as the role model to lead our youth to a righteousness. Wagwan. Me no know Wagwan Rasta. Me no know where the Rasta man them there. The Rasta man them were used to burn some serious fire. I want to talk literal fire, what about spiritual fire. See, where the Rasta man them there? The Rasta man them gone, brother. The Rasta man them lose it. Me want to see what about the 6th of August, if we ever celebrate independence, and we ever bungle up like how them bungle up in 1963 and cut off for locks them. So make a bungle up Rasta, make a bungle up in thousands, hundreds of thousands. Make a bungle up at Emancipation Park, make a bungle up on Nelson Mandela Park, make a bungle up in front of Devon House, make a bungle up in front of Garden House, make a bungle up everywhere, and bungle up for your rights. See, more I say, oh Rasta, I gotta deal with this one. I am like sick, but I'm gonna be part of the bungling, because guess what? I am a Rasta, Rasta from birth, and Rasta till the day I die. Rastafari now and Rastafari forever. Me I go see if you really go turn on the yard. Me I go see if you the true Rastafari. Me I go see come Friday, August 6, 2021 at 9 a.m. at Emancipation Park. I say every Rasta man, every Rasta woman, every Rasta picnic, and every Jamaican come out for Nzinga King. Because what happened to this little girl must never happen again. This must be the straw that break the camel's back. This must be the last Rasta them trim. Because we say never again. Come out on 1,000 and support this one here. This one must be peaceful, but guess what? We must show that we are angry. Angry because them should never do this to this little girl. Never. And as Marcus Garvey said, a race of people who really do not know themselves is like a tree without root. And as Martin Luther King said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Come out Friday, August 6th. 9 a.m. at Emancipation Park. Come and join a peaceful protest as we seek justice for young Nzinga King and the Rastafari family. Rastafari.